Good morning student, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So student, as you know, your school has started and here we are going to teach online classes. So student, today I am going to teach you maths. Okay? So student, here is the topic. Here is the today's topic, sets. Okay? So student, what is sets? What is sets? So I am here using some. I am here to show you some some example of sets. Okay, here is some object. What is this? This is key. What is this? This is key. This is the bunch of key. This is the bunch of key. Here's so many keys. Okay, this is the bunch of key. This is also an example of set. Okay, clear? Now the second example is this. This is the pile of books. This is the pile of books. See, this is the pile of books. It is also a set of. It is the also example of sets. Clear? Now here is some collection of pens, collection of marker. It is also a example of set. Clear? So student, here is the definition of set. We call the collection of such objects is called set. We call the collection of such object is called set. Okay, collection of such object is called set. Okay, example is flower bouquet. It is also a collection of flowers. Okay, bunch of key, pile of books, and collection of numbers. Clear? Okay, these all are examples of set. Flower bouquet, bunch of key, pile of books, collection of numbers. These all the example of sets, because it is the collection of object, collection of such object. Clear? Now observe the now we can observe the collections. Happy children in the village, like brilliant student of the class. Okay, so in both the example are words. Happy and brilliant are relative terms. It is relative terms because the exact meaning of these word to be happy. Actually, brilliant and happy both are relative terms. क्योंकि इसका exact meaning, what is the exact meaning of this word? To be happy and to be brilliant and to be brilliant. Both are different from person to person, depend करता है, person to person depend करता है. These collection, but these collection are not a set. This is not a set. This is not an example of set. Okay, like happy children in the village. खुश बच्चे विलेज में हैं, खुश जो हैप्पी हैं वो विलेज में रहते हैं. This is not the collection of this is not the example of sets. And also here brilliant students of the class, it is also not a it is also not a sets of example of sets. Okay, clear? So Here we can see some more example. Okay, now so student, here are see the example given below and decide whether it is a set or not. Whether here whether it is a set or not. कौन सा set है, कौन सा set का example है and which is not. Okay, so first is days of a week. Days of a week. Week में week के जो days होते हैं तो it is a example of sets. Yes, it is the example of set. It is also example of set. Days of a week. Months in a year, it is also example of, because we can, it is a collection of a year. Okay, मतलब ये साल का जो 12 months होते हैं वो collection है एक साल का. Okay, so third is brave children in the class. Brave children in the class. No, it is not an example of a set. Why? Because it is a ये person to person पर depend करता है कि who is brave or who is not brave and who is more brave. Okay, so it is not a example of sets. Okay, now fourth is first 10 counting numbers जो हम काउंट कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट 10 काउंटिंग है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, it is also a example of sets because it is a collection of number. Okay, clear? Here some two more example are here. Strong forts of Maharashtra. It is not a collection of, it is not a example of sets. Planet in our solar system. Yes, it is also a example of sets because we can count, we can because it is a collection of a solar system. Okay, all planets, it is a collection of a solar system, so it is the example of set. Clear? So student, if we can definitely and clearly decide the object of a given collection and that collection is called a set. Okay, clear? Object of a given collection, then that collection is called a set. Clear? Okay, so student, generally the name of the set is given using capital letter. Okay, so set is given using set always using capital number. Okay, like A B C D E F G to Z. Okay, A B C D to Z. Clear? Okay, set is always using capital number, capital letter. So okay, so the number of elements of the set are shown by using small letter, but here the number of elements of the set are shown by using small letter like small a, small b, small c, small d to z. Clear? जो भी एलिमेंट का जो भी नंबर होता है, सेट का जो भी नंबर होता है, द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. ओके, जितने भी नंबर होते हैं, जो भी एलिमेंट्स के नंबर होते हैं, वो किसमें स्मॉल लेटर में सेट यूज करता है. क्लियर? सो सो स्टूडेंट, इसे हम एक एग्जांपल से समझेंगे. सो इफ a, small a, is an element of set capital A, if small a is an element of set A, capital A, okay, then we write it as small a element capital A. Clear? If A is an element of set A, capital A, then we can write it as small a element capital A. Clear? अगर स्मॉल a एक एलिमेंट है किसका, कैपिटल A का, then we can write it as small a element A. Clear? And if small a is not an element of set A, then we can write it small a is not element of capital A. Clear? If small a is not an element of set capital A, then we will write it small a small a is not element of capital A. Clear? Clear? So student, now let us observe the set of numbers. Okay, observe some set of numbers. Here I am given the name. Here I am given the name of some sets, and WI, it is the name of some numbers of set. Okay, so n equal to 1 2 3 and so on. It is the set of natural number. It is the set of natural number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and infinity. It is a set of natural number. And second is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and so on. It is a set of whole number. It is a set of whole number. Clear? Then next is -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 and so on. It is also a set of a integer. Clear? Clear? All clear? So student, hope you all understand today's topic. So here is a homework to you. So in your surrounding, find the object which are having sets. Okay, so it is a homework. You have to find some object which are having set. Okay, clear? Okay. So student, tomorrow we will learn the remaining chapter. Okay, thank you.